Hey everybody, I just wanted to hop on really quick to announce that Cricut made a big announcement today. They are creating a Cricut Maker 3. I don't even know when it's going to be available in stores. I'm thinking pretty quickly here, if not already. All of their Cricut experts already have their videos out showing a little glimpse and peek of the new Cricut Maker 3. Now, I just want to know, what do you all think? What are you guys thinking right now about this announcement? Please drop some comments. Are you excited about it? Are you thinking you're going to buy the Cricut Maker 3? Do you have a Cricut Maker, and would you even consider purchasing the Cricut Maker 3? What do you guys think? I absolutely am just like flabbergasted. First of all, when they first announced the Cricut Maker itself, there was supposed to be so many more cutting options and tools to go along with it, and that they still have yet to produce. My gosh, like, what? I am totally blown away. I don't even get it. It's literally just like a fuller size version of the Cricut Joy. So the Cricut Joy was their little test on smart vinyls, smart infusible ink, and different types of smart material that you didn't have to use a mat to cut the material. There's some type of, backing on the material itself that makes it smart and not require a mat. I don't know. I don't have a Cricut Joy, so I can't compare. Those of you that have a Cricut Joy, what do you think? What do you think about this Cricut Maker 3? That's pretty much a regular size Cricut Joy, but on steroids, because it can use all of the blades that the Joy can't. I'm just like in shock right now. I cannot believe this. And at the same time, I don't know, I'm gonna put a little link up and down in my description. Make sure you check out my description. I did a Maker review, and they gave me zero option of having a replacement part because my lid stopped working, and the lid not staying open is very much a hindrance to completing projects adequately. I just feel like there's so much. Cricut is just like so financially motivated, which, I mean, every business should, but a really good business owner should put their clients first. And I know this firsthand. I started a construction company with my ex-husband, and I ran the business side of things. And you put your customers first if you want to be successful. I also started an Etsy shop, and I put my customers first. If there's anything that's wrong, I am the first to say, how can I make it right? And that's just one thing that I'm so disappointed in Cricut about. Like, their customer service is just completely horrible. I love, love, love using my Maker machine. I love all the awesome things that it can do, but I just keep seeing them putting out all of these materials and machines and accessories, and it's all about the almighty dollar, and they're not taking care of their consumers. I just don't get it. And they really need to work on Cricut Design Space. Like, spend some time working on Design Space for us creators. I mean, I don't even know. I don't even know. My God, this is so crazy. I don't even know what to say. I'm like so mixed about this because like I need a new machine. If my lid can't be fixed, would I buy another maker or would I want to buy this Maker 3? I don't even know. I mean, I watched a preview video and I was like, I don't know, I'm a creature of habit. I'm old school. Like, I seriously don't like change. So maybe it's part of my personality, but I just feel like some of the changes with the Maker 3, I wouldn't even be interested in. I feel like some of it's like more work and effort that you have to put into than just the ease of using a mat. I feel like having to use the roller adapter and all this hullabaloo, it's like you just want to get it done. Although the actual cutting time is like 8 times faster or something like that. But I don't know. Please share your thoughts and comments because I'm just like blown away. I just don't even know. God. Cricut, do you care about your customers? Do you care about your consumers? If you do, then please listen to us and put us first, and then your money will increase tenfold. Put your clients first. My Maker lid is broken. My husband spent $400 on the machine, and it's only 2.5 years old. My Maker lid is broken. Offer us a replacement part and my husband will put it on. The only option you have given is for me to have to buy a new machine. What? Oh! You know what? Right now, like, my reaction is kind of negative, I think, because of that. Because of my Maker lid. And I just want to tell them to take their little Maker 3 and just put it where the sun doesn't shine. But maybe I'll calm down at a certain point in the future and maybe have a different mindset. But today I'm just like, just no. Cricut, get your customer service together, get your design space together, and put out all those tools for that Maker machine that you originally promised. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, that's like so brutally honest today, make sure that you click the like. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'm newer, but stay tuned because I'm going to be posting tons of DIY tutorials, Cricut related and a lot not Cricut related, vacation planning tips, and party planning, lots of party decor I'm going to be making in the future. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, then make sure you click the subscribe. And also I have a book club and I'm going to be doing my once a month book review. So if you want to be a part of my book club, make sure you click back a couple videos, or in the future videos, I will keep you updated on what book I'll be reading next and you can follow along. Thank you so much. I love all my new subscribers and all of you that are going to be my future subscribers. Take care and have a great rest of your day.